Yo, welcome to kpopRC, the channel where I make sick videos of scale models. Pretty much anything that's got a remote. So, don't forget to sub up for giveaways and sick-ass RC content. Sometimes there's fire. Yo, so check it out. This is Propolis RC's vacuum form boat. He's just like a dude from South Africa that has a vacuum former and makes these. I'm assuming he has some kind of like resin silicone mold that he uses to make the jet props. But check him out on Facebook. It's Propolis RC. He makes these sweet boats. Things that I've done to it, got a little copper little pipe in here so it sucks up water. And I also 3D printed these little hooks that slide into the body, and magnets over here to hold this thing shut. Everything inside is 100% waterproof, so I don't care if this thing floods. There's like foam in here so it can't sink. Like even if this thing fills with water, it'll still stay buoyant. Everything else, like even the receiver, has been plasti dipped, so I'm not really worried about getting this thing like completely submerged. One thing. This motor can provide, I think, more RPM than this jet prop can handle. So if I give her full jam, I think I start cavitating. Like it starts to just sort of create an air pocket in there, and it doesn't suck water quite as efficiently. So that kind of blows. So what I did was I just like changed the endpoints on my radio. So I'm like running like 30% throttle, but this is still super fast and super awesome, really responsive. And the battery lasts just like forever. So, yeah, it's a 3-cell LiPo at 2200, gives you like 25 minutes, like in the river. And then I also 3D printed a little guard here, because last time I was out, I got some sky rat feather. Like I got a sky rat feather, or like a pigeon feather in here, and it kind of scarred up the tube, which I think may also be contributing to cavitation. But I know that I'm creating an air pocket, so I already took all this apart and I sanded the tube just to get it as smooth as possible. I even sanded the impeller, because the impeller was getting a little crunchy on the edges. Yeah. Anyway, this thing's a freaking blast. I haven't tried it yet with this guard. It probably won't improve the performance, but at least it will help protect, and hopefully no sky rat feathers will make their way into the jet prop, which is bad. But yeah, that's it. Check out Propolis on Facebook. Grab one of these boats, because they're sweet boats. Things to look forward to on the jet boat. I'm thinking about maybe building ramps that can semi-submerge in the river. So some kind of mesh ramp with like four corners weighted underwater, so that these things can jump up rapids as well as go down rapids. But jumping up rapids would be the fucking coolest. So that would be cool. And also another cool thing would be to have two of these racing on the river, and then also maybe spanning some rope across the river with some kind of like pool noodle type of gates, very much like the whitewater kayaking in the Summer Olympics, for example. Insert clip here. Yeah, that would be really cool. So let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas on what to do with these things. They're really fun in the river. So if you can think of anything to do with these guys that you want to see on the channel, let me know in the comments below.
That's it for this episode of kpopRC. Don't forget to sub up. It's my birthday, so, you know, stay tuned if you want to find out what I bought. It's pretty sweet. K-pop out.
Big box. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty big. Pretty big.